Hello, my name is Alyssa Wilsey, and today we'll be discussing one of the strategies described by Miller to target thinking skills in online learning. The strategy I will focus on is Strategy 2, Set up varied realistic scenarios for reasoning. One of the most effective ways to set up varied and realistic scenarios for reasoning, which I will focus on for this presentation, is through problem-based learning activities. According to Miller on page 138, a problem-based learning activity involves assigning students an open-ended, ill-defined problem situated in a realistic context. Students then collaborate in small groups to come up with a solution through discussion and information gathering. The instructor serves as a facilitator through this process, monitoring the group's progress and directing discussion. This visual shows the difference between traditional and problem-based learning. While traditional learning often involves receiving information, memorizing it, and showing how to use it by solving a problem at the end, problem-based learning presents the problem at the beginning, then allows the student the opportunity to collect information and solve the problem. I chose for this week's assignment 4 areas of teaching that I believe the strategy would improve. Engaging students, planning meaningful instruction, fostering higher order thinking skills, and ensuring transfer of learning occurs are all important concerns for teachers that would improve through the implementation of this strategy. Problem-based learning keeps students engaged by allowing them to work together to solve real-life problems. Problem-based learning activities will improve planning as well. PBL activities allow the teacher to lead his or her students through a long process of working collaboratively with peers to solve real-life problems. With an understanding of PBL, teachers can plan meaningful instruction that students will significantly benefit from. According to Miller, online databases such as Problem-Based Learning Clearinghouse are available to help teachers locate relevant problems to assign to students for PBL activities. Hung explains that solving complex problems is often too cognitively advanced for an individual. Therefore, PBL requires that students work in teams to allow each member to contribute his or her own strengths to the project. Working to solve complex problems improves learners' higher order thinking skills. PBL activities or other scenarios addressed in the second strategy promote transfer, as these activities allow students to accomplish many goals and to practice using thinking skills in real-life situations. Miller stated that problem-based learning has shown to be even more effective in online courses than in traditional face-to-face courses. With the availability of discussion boards and online chatting options, students are able to collaborate through these projects anytime and anywhere. Studies have shown online students showed gains in content equal to those in face-to-face classes. However, gains in critical thinking for online students have proven to be superior to those in face-to-face classes. Listed on this slide are the sources I have used to retrieve this information. Thank you for viewing my presentation.